Hi there, and thanks for joining me on this fall DIY. I'm Miss Jo from Independence Library, and I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic fall wreath out of things that you can find at the dollar store. So here's one of the wreaths that I did, and this looks like it's complicated, but really it's very simple and something you have a lot of fun with. The other wreath that I made, and I'll tell you how to do this one a little later on, is our lovely burlap wreath over here. For now, I want to show you. I've kind of started this a little bit so you can see, and I added my little scarecrow. But all of these things are easily attained, and you can probably make this wreath for, I'd say, under $10. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to make, I've got some pre-made here, but we're going to make some little bundles that are going to be wired onto our wreath. Now let me show you how to make those. So I've kind of pre-cut. I had a roll of burlap, and you can find this even in different colors. And I had a little wider roll of our mesh ribbon, and then some little narrower in a different color, and then some pretty fall ribbon. So how you do this is we're going to take, and I'm going to lay out the pieces that I want, and then you kind of just, the idea is you're going to make a big roll-ups like that. So you have that one, and you kind of just hold it in your hand, and then we're gonna make our next little roll up and put it on like that. And then my third one here. So I'm gonna take and I'll put on like that, and then I'm just gonna kind of hold them all together, and then you can use any color of pipe cleaner you want. I kind of use these the black ones, but what I'm going to do is, if you can see, I'm going all the way around them, and I'm going to come behind here, and I'm just going to give it a couple of good solid twists so that your little bundle ends up looking like that. And then you can kind of fluff it out a little bit there, or even move it around however you like doing it. And then the next thing is, I'm going to show you, I'm going to take, I've got my wreath here, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it right next to this bundle, and I'll show you the back of the wreath in a moment. But I'm going to put it on, and then there's the back. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and twist that on around, and we can come back later and you can clip these off. But you see, we just put it on just like that. And then let me show you what it looks like when we get several of the little bundles on. Oh, let me show you how to do one with the ribbon real quick. So I'm going to take, and I want to do my orange, and I think do my burlap again. So I'm just going to take it, roll them right up, just like that. And then take it, and I'm going to roll this one right up. And then I've got a strip of this pretty autumn ribbon. And all I'm going to do here, and you could either leave it straight like it is now, or I like to give it a little tail, so I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to clip a little V out of it, right like that. So then I can just take him, grip it in the middle, put it with my twists here, and add my pipe cleaner that's going to hold them all together. And then we just bring it on around and make sure everything's all there. Give that a quick twist, and then again you can kind of move your curls and your ribbons around like you like, just like so, just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wire this onto our frame. Right about there. And I love this mesh because it comes in so many different colors. So you could do one for fall, and you could also maybe, once you learn how, you could even create one for other holidays like Christmas, Valentine's Day. Your imagination is the limit. So then I'm going to go ahead and wire my next one on. Yeah. And something I like to do, you don't have to do this, but just to give the wreath a little more stability, I take the tails of the pipe cleaners here and I kind of wire them together. That kind of holds it. Okay, and we're gonna do that. And I got a couple of others here. I'm gonna go ahead and now some people, you can make a full wreath like I showed you, and I'll show you again, or some people even like just leaving part of the wreath exposed. You might even, since this one's already kind of a black and fall color, but you could even spray paint these if you wanted to match your ribbon and stuff that you're using. And place this last one on here. And the fun thing is, once you learn how, there's really no wrong way of doing it. You can create any kind that you like. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of pull this out a little bit now that I've got it on. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it's so much fun to do. And so I just encourage you to head down to your dollar store. This is $1. You can get the mesh ribbon out there for $1. They have fall ribbons. Like I say, for really inexpensive, you can make a unique fall wreath for your home, or maybe to give as a gift. So, and now as promised, I'm going to show you our other wreath here. Now, if you want something more rustic, and this is really kind of an upcycle thing, because I used a wire coat hanger that I took apart and bent into a circle, and I took burlap just like this, and all you have to do is you stick the end of the wire through there, and I just went just like this, back and forth, and layering so it looked like that, layering it on the coat hanger till I got the ruffled look like this. And then again, I took some flowers and a little fall ribbon that I got from the dollar store and added those, and there you have a burlap wreath that you make for your home. Whichever one you choose, your mesh ribbon, burlap, They both will give your home a warm fall look, and they're fun to do. Thanks for joining me today on this fall DIY. Take care, and we'll see you next time.